Qesen hizbey كوجوتان العالم بستات سكرو نجارة فكرم بغداد تكبرو بسقطات زارب رأني توم مدارو كينو حتر بلو شقر كاك الزخاب زباكار زلو متي هالكارو قزير فرت قستخان تمقبلو You bypass the world's noise with your silence. You bury empty boasts with your quiet calm. Your silence speaks louder than the voices of the talkers. The heavy pain you carried on your back has reached its limit. Now the time has come for you to taste the fruit of your patience. Dahli marir qarsin dahina wiqzo Nay salam nafas matabo you tigze كمز تزرعات فراب مأكل برخا لومي تصديق على اتا تسفانا إلي بخا Qesen After a bitter struggle and a long, long journey, the season of peace, his breeze has finally arrived. Like a seed sown in the heart of the desert, today the hope of your heart has fully bloomed. فتيرك زوتها كم ورقي بحوي دوز بالكا حزقت انك كم تبرتو كوحلي تسام قسه هزبي عتاب بان قبلي تشقرين سببا Tested alone, you emerge like gold from the fire. My people, you stood firm and unshakable like a mighty rock. Rest now, be at peace, my people, you who possess such deep wisdom. You who navigate every hardship and distress with a calm soul. تاريخك ويا جقدم وتخام أبانا ممكن قرب أيتم برك حكاي نتخديد ما قبل حجي تسن هزبي فرت أمها تبرل Like the light of dawn that shatters the darkness, your history of heroism shall be told to the world. You never bow down to the heaviest storms. Now rest, my people, and receive the reward of your labor. Mama atade tatna kamzana bragifu رحواي كمتر ايو حسم تقففو بفقري بسنيت كلنا برح غيرنا ሰላም ከነግስ እዩ ኣብ ትድስክር ሃገርና Peace Earth is coming and the misery is being swept away. In love and harmony we shall live together, and peace shall reign over our sacred land. ህዝበይ ከምቲ ቦትሊ ኣውሊ غنفت ሃርግጊት ክበስር እዩ ሰላም ኣብካ ፋብርቱ After the winter comes the brightness of the sun, a beautiful era Be at peace, my people, like the olive branch in the beak of the dove. Peace is announcing its return to our beloved home.